Assalamu alaikum. I am Sana Malik, student of BBA final year.
And I am Sadaf Irshad. We are final year BBA students specializing in finance.
Islamic finance is an emerging field in Pakistan, with the State Bank aiming to fully convert conventional banks to Islamic by 2028. Efforts from banks and the government are in full swing.
But people still face challenges. Banking information is scattered, hard to compare, and many cannot differentiate between Islamic and conventional products due to low awareness.
To solve this problem, we develop a centralized hub of Islamic finance knowledge, naming with Halal Wealth Wisdom.
And for that, we outsourced a 3-member web development team who help us bring this vision to life.
This diagram shows the parallel workflow. While one stream focuses on data collection, cleaning, and uploading, the other develops the website with hosting, design, and customizations. Both must optimize user experience and make the platform live.
This flowchart shows the user journey on the Halal Wealth Wisdom website. When users open the website, they are prompted to select from 4 main options: financing product, account types, the knowledge center, or KMI 30.